How to make call on Google Chat. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make calls on Google Chat. Now, one thing for you to notice that on Google Chat, the major way to make a call is a video call, not a voice call. Okay, and then once that is established, go ahead and open up your Google Chat. Once it is opened, you would go ahead and select the person that you want to call, that is the conversation or the user that you want to call. You select the person's chat by moving over to the right side of the screen and clicking on the person's email address. Once that is done, you'll be brought to your chat with the person. Then in the chat box by the lower part of the screen, you will see a list of options towards the right side of the screen, which includes the formatting options, emoji option, GIF, uh, upload file, and then add video meeting. Or you can just move over to the top part of the screen. Yes, top part of the screen where the person's name is displayed, and then you will see start a video call. Start a video call. Just click on it, and automatically the person would be called. Now you have to ensure that you grant your if you're using the website, grant it access to use your camera as well as your microphone. Okay, ensure you get access for that. If it's your phone as well, ensure you grant which has access. Once you allow it and the person picks up, you'll be able to hear what the person is saying and also see the person. But if you do not want to see the person, just tap on this camera here and it will be turned to a voice call only and not a video call. So this is how you can make calls on Google Chat. Thanks for watching.